Hello and welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 176. This was the 22nd of February 2023, Ash Wednesday 2023. So I did 45 minutes on the treadmill with a 6-minute jog, and then I had an orthodontist appointment. I did some administrative things. I worked on books. I worked on insurance. I worked on Remote Wellness Academy and maybe a little bit of solar business. And that was basically it for day 176. There's so many days now that I've started this. So who am I grateful for? I'm grateful for many, many things. I'm grateful for people that that have, I'm grateful for some people that I'm doing business with. They're taking the time to listen to what I have to say. I was doing some business downtown today. I'm glad that people taken the time out to hear me out, hear my proposals, and even if they don't get involved with what I'm doing, the fact that they listened, I'm very grateful for. Because oftentimes there's a lot of people that won't even give you the opportunity to talk about something. So when somebody does lend you their ear, and even if they don't buy or they don't join or this or that, the fact that they were open to the opportunity and the possibility deserves my respect and gratitude. So that's it for day 176. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Like, comment, subscribe. I will talk to you tomorrow.